want to show you the big picture about what's going on across the western half of the country. We're actually dealing with the most active weather across the country this Thanksgiving. So rain falling across California, snow up in the Sierras, and here locally, the tail end of the cold front is actually moving through right now. So scattered showers across the county as we look towards Pinpoint Doppler Live. A little bit of a dry break in downtown National City and Chula Vista, but a few light showers in Santee, El Cajon, and Rancho San Diego, even Imperial Beach. But a lot more of the rain is farther to the north in the North County this morning. But I will tell you, a lot of the roads are wet, so just be careful. You heard Jared talking about a lot of spinouts already happening this morning. Leave time for travel as you're heading out for your Thanksgiving Day plans. It may take you longer to get to where you're going because you need to go slower. At one point, I had a hard time driving. It was pretty heavy coming down at bits, but it mostly will be light to moderate showers. The occasional heavier shower will be possible. 10 News Futurecast showing a good chance for those showers through the morning. Another wave may come through around 8 or 9 o'clock this morning, and then after about 10 o'clock, things start to taper off, though there is a very slight chance for a few showers to linger even into this evening. And just a quick look across the country because it is bitter cold. It feels like 6 in New York City where the Macy's Day Parade is going on, and it is in the 20s and 30s or teens across much of the country. So showers taper off after about 10 a.m. It will be cool and breezy this afternoon. Gusts could reach up to about 25 miles per hour for the coast and the valleys, up to 45 miles per hour in the mountains and the deserts. And a slight chance for a few showers late Friday night into Saturday morning. Temperatures stay in the 60s through Sunday along our coast and 70s early next week. Inland neighborhoods will be in the mid to upper 60s through Saturday, and then 70s return on Sunday. We'll start to see offshore winds return, so that'll start warming us up as well. Temperatures in the mere 40s today in our mountains, but 50s return tomorrow. Not that that's much warmer, and 70s lasting through the extended in our deserts.